In this video, we will view how to create a medication plan. A medication plan refers to a set of drugs which are ordered to treat a very specific disease. Each drug has a standard composition in which it is ordered. Let us now take a look at how the administrator can create a medication plan and subsequently revise or discontinue it. To begin with, we log in as the administrator using the administrator privileges. Click Login. We are now redirected to the OpenMRS home page. At this point, the administrator will click on the System Administration icon. Now, click on Advanced Administration icon. We are now redirected to the administration page. Scroll down this page and find the label called Drug Orders module. Under this, we find a link called Administration. Click on this link to get redirected to the administration page where we can create medication plans. In this table, the list of currently active medication plans are listed. At the point, there are no medication plans defined. Let us see how we can create a medication plan. Click on the icon to create a medication plan. Now, enter the name of the plan. The name of the plan or diagnosis or disease must already have a concept created for it. Unless a concept is created, we cannot define a medication plan. Start typing the name of the disease to get a list of options. Once that is selected, enter a description for the medication plan. Both the fields are mandatory to be specified. Once this is done, click Confirm. Now we see that a plan is created and saved. Right now, there are no drugs defined within this plan. Let us now see how we can add a standard drug order to this plan. Click on the plus icon corresponding to the plan. Here, enter the name of the drug. As specified with the diagnosis or plan name, a concept must be created for the drug before it can be specified in a plan. As we start typing the name of the drug, autocomplete options are provided. Select one of the options. Specify a route. Specify the dose. Specify the dose unit. Specify the quantity. Specify the quantity units. Specify the duration units, and the frequency. All these fields are mandatory to be specified. Without specifying even one of those, we cannot create or save the drug plan. Now click Confirm. As we can see, the plan is updated and the aspirin drug is added to this plan. When the plan is ordered by the physician, all the drugs in the plan are automatically ordered. Let us now create or add another drug to the same plan. follow the same procedure for adding a drug. Now we have two drugs defined in the same plan. Let us now go ahead and edit the formulations of this drug. To edit the formulation, click on the edit icon corresponding to a drug. Make changes and click confirm. Now the plan is again updated. Show the details or display the details to see the updated formulations of the drug. Let us now see how we can discard a drug from the plan. To discard a drug, click on the discard icon corresponding to the drug in the plan. Here we see the drug selected to be discarded. Before we can discard the drug from the plan, we have to specify the reason to discard the drug from the plan or the reason to remove the drug from the plan. Once that is done, click confirm. Now we see that the drug has been removed from the plan. Let us edit the description of this plan. We can also rename the plan. Okay, as we can see, since we have entered a character with which there is no plan name, the following alert is displayed. No concept found. Please create a diagnosis class concept for this plan. Let's go back. So basically we are editing, renaming the plan. Let's modify the description as well, and now click confirm. As we can see, the plan is modified and we have the drugs defined as it is in the plan. Let us see an example of what will happen if we try to create a duplicate plan of the same name. We can create or we can try to define a plan. However, it will not allow us to save it. It gives the message plan already exists. Okay, so let us now see how we can discard the plan. To discard a plan, click on the discard plan icon. This will select the plan to be discarded with all the drugs in the plan selected. Similar to how we discard a drug in a plan, we have to enter or specify the reason for discarding the plan. Once that is done, click confirm. The plan is now discarded.